Did AI help me to reduce time, money, and resources with my marketing? In this video, you will learn how AI is used in the real world. With a lot of trainings, you will see that the person that is presenting, you kind of feel that they don't use it every day. I use it every day, and therefore I created this training to help other people use ChatGPT or AI and to get more productive in less time and to save money and resources. Later on in this video, I will share with you the results of this AI challenge, but I first like to tell you why I started this 30-day AI challenge. I had 3 questions about AI inside this challenge. The first one is, could it save time on marketing? So for example, I spend every week around 4 hours on content creation. The second question I had, could it maintain the same quality of my marketing materials? And the last one, how can AI assist me and which tools can I use? I acquire clients through different marketing channels. Network, social media, advertisement, email marketing, and other channels will help me to get new clients. And for most of these marketing channels, I need content, and there I needed some help with. And I must be honest, first I was very intimidating by AI. As a content creator, as an online marketer, I thought, wow, this new technology will reduce my job possibilities and maybe I need to compete with AI. That was my first reaction because I didn't understand it completely. But a couple of years I learned that if something is threatening you or you're scared of something, you need to find out. You need to embrace it or research it if it's truly a threat or maybe an opportunity. And for my YouTube channel, I researched it and I've created a video about it, and it's called the 19 AI tools for your marketing. And when I discovered all these AI tools and started to using them for this video, I was mesmerized. I thought, holy moly, this is really cool stuff and this will really help me to become more productive. And this video about these AI tools made me hooked and I decided to do a 30-day AI challenge. So for 30 days, I used everyday AI without compromising on the quality of my marketing materials. And my challenge was divided in 4 aspects of marketing. Number 1, strategy. Number 2, planning and organization. Number 3, content creation. And number 4, turbo boost. And my goal was to find answers to my initial 3 questions. And that were, could it save time on marketing? Can I maintain quality while doing so? And how can AI assist me and what tools can I use? The first tool I deployed was ChatGPT. I was curious where my target audience is, what their problems are, and which channels they use. And the thing that really stood up is to ask the right questions, because that gives me the best results using ChatGPT. For example, in the beginning, I would say, okay, where is my target group? And then I got a broad answer, which was not good enough. And I learned, instead of asking, where is my target audience? I said, listen, act as a business advisor and tell me where my target audience is, and they are online marketers. Later on in this training, you will learn more about asking the right question in ChatGPT. I realized that the intimidation factor was gone and it already saved me a lot of time on creating content for my marketing. So one goal was already met within this 30-day AI challenge. Another question I wanted answered is, if I created content with AI, would it be the same quality if I did not use AI? I experimented with different AI tools like Descript, Pictoray, ChatGPT, Writer, Jasper, PlayHD, DID, and DALL-E to convert text to photo and even text to video, saving me a lot of time. And in the final phase of my 30-day AI challenge, I used ChatGPT and other AI tools for my email marketing, for my website, for advertisements. And I even went a step further by using autonomous AI, which means that I give a goal to the AI and then it will execute it by itself without my intervention. And that was mind-blowing and gave me a glimpse into the near future. The result, after 30 days AI challenge, it reduced my time on content creation with more than 50%. I now know which AI tools I need to use and which I don't need to use. And I use it now on a daily basis. By sharing my AI challenge journey daily, I also got some other results, and that were that I was asked to speak on an event, that I got some business out of it, and I'm now doing AI masterclasses. Speaking of masterclasses, with your permission, I'd like to share some more information about this. The Masterclass AI teaches you the basics of using AI for your social media, your email marketing, your content marketing, advertisement, and other types of marketing. You'll learn how AI can save you time, which tools you can use, and how to use it for your marketing to get those results. If this sounds interesting, you can find a link in the description to apply for this Masterclass AI. And after this Masterclass, you're able to save up to 50% on your marketing without losing quality on your content creation or other marketing endeavors. So if you are interested, sign up via the link in the description of this video. In the next video, we'll do a full walkthrough of the free version of ChatGPT and you know exactly what it's capable of.